The mic.
Hello.
Oh, man.
Hello in there. Hi, my name's Rudy Fowler. I'm 36 and a half years old, and I like snowmobiles. When's your birthday?
August 7th.
Yeah, you're about halfway through.
Yeah.
Just say 5/8.
Hi, I'm Sam Charters. I'm 31 and 3/8 years old. I drive a 2017 Arctic Cat XF 8000 Cross Country Limited.
Driving a 2016 ZR in America, 8000 limited. Stock.
Stock. No mod?
No. Is this like a, what's the lie detector test?
The lie detector test determined that was a lie.
We determined that was a lie. It's studded. That's all.
I am a rookie this year, newbie brought on. I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be fun.
You're a rookie to the 1,000 mile. You're a
Sure
veteran
am.
seasoned snowmobiler.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I
Don't forget
suppose.
that. People are going to say, "Oh wow, anyone can do this."
No.
And then you'll have 100 people lost in the woods.
Yeah.
Sam is not actually a noob snowmobiler. He's been snowmobiling for a long time. He's a noob
To the 1,000 mile challenge.
to the 1,000 mile challenge. We don't want 100 people buying snowmobiles for the first time and trying to do 1,000 miles in a day. We don't want that. We apologize in advance to any local law enforcement that has to deal with that. Oh, we really got to, I mean, in advance, I can tell you right now, there's certain things. Us riding is one thing, but the support vehicle with fuel,
Yes.
that's important.
Oh, yeah.
Are you picking us all up on mics? Okay, I can hold it halfway. So the support vehicle's crucial. Groom trails are crucial.
Yeah.
Weather's crucial.
Weather's going to be, I think I keep forgetting about weather, but that's going to play a huge part. If we get into a snowstorm and you're driving, like you can't drive as fast
No.
in a snowstorm because it's not safe, and you got to have clear skies, clear night to be able to travel the speed we need to travel.
And that's a floating date.
Okay.
We can't leave in a snowstorm.
No, we can't.
We'll never make it.
No,
We'll never do the 1,000 miles.
Not happening.
We'll just disappear.
Yep.
It'll be like 1,000 miles and beyond, and then they're gone
Yeah.
forever. Throw the tractor in the river.
Aim for Woodstock and up in Calais.
We'll just get a hotel up 30 miles from where we started. Sitting in a hot tub, tractors all in one spot, everyone's watching. What are they doing? Do cannonballs in the hot tub.
No, there's one thing I didn't realize is how the much support is going into behind the scenes. I'm involved with it a bit, but it's unreal the amount Rudi and Christiana, Zyra, and the whole group chat there. Everybody is putting 110% into it. For the most part, anyways. And I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about everybody else.
All these days coming, you volunteering?
Volunteering.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want some more tasks?
Oh, I'll get the sled together, then I'll get some tasks.
Yeah, there's a lot that goes
Yeah.
into it.
And then I didn't realize it was that magnitude. There's a lot.
Last year it was, you guys just ride.
Yeah.
We got the easy job.
Yeah.
Here, go snowmobiling.
Yeah.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Don't come back until tomorrow. Okay. Yeah.
Danny, want to come over for a sec? Either you can sit on the couch, but if you want, you grab the milk crate and sit behind too.
We can scoot
I can-
right over.
There is room there.
Yeah.
I think.
I can,
You don't want to make it too dangerous.
well, we are Arctic Cat riders.
Send that to Reed.
Right behind it.
Yeah, right behind and lean right in.
Just pretend that you're just envision that you're on your own,
Okay.
and you'll do good.
Okay.
What does that mean?
It's a different mental state when you're on your own. It's like survival mode.
Yeah.
And you got to
Okay.
keep that you're saying to keep that in the back of your head.
No, I'm just this is mind over matter.
Yeah. Okay.
Mind over matter. You'll be fine. Just don't get low on fuel close to serving time.
Yeah, that's gonna happen.
He was stressing out. There's no sense worrying about stuff.
Well, I'm gonna bring I'll have that roto pack. I'm gonna put that on the back because I have a feeling I'm gonna be because I've run like if you run hard close to 100 miles, I'm pretty much out.
Yeah.
But,
Well, I think you'll be all right though.
yeah.
I find I don't know why like you get up in there and that day I get a little bit nervous. 'Cause
Yes.
There's no backup there. It's not
No.
like you can pull the hot side of the
No.
road and somebody's in town.
No.
And we get in, I said to Rudi and the communicator, I said, I'm just going to lay back and conserve fuel. All right, I'll see you in server time.
What
Okay,
happens?
hope you don't go in the woods or I don't.
Yeah, exactly.
We got there and I took 10 liters more than him. He was all worried about it. That fuel light been flashing for a while.
Yeah.
But anyways, no, I good. You got a good course and good support too.
Yeah. Yeah. All the legwork seems to be getting done.
If your
So
sled
right.
breaks, it's your fault.
Yeah, exactly.